Hi everybody, this is Bob and again from Multiprint. If you're watching this video and you're interested in product information on one of my monster kiosks, my name is Bob Miller. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. I am the manufacturer and I provide a turnkey service here. So this is a rental product and I provide a turnkey service where it includes artwork, deliver, install, remove, and I am the manufacturer on this. Located in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you're looking for me for product information or rental, there's the phone number. And I'm going to go over this quickly. What is a monster kiosk? A monster kiosk is a three-sided steel frame structure that I skin with banner graphics. Each side panel frame on this is 8 foot by 12 foot. This is a steel welded frame construction that's mechanically bolted together and ground secured. A banner graphic that I put on this, I use 18-ounce blockout opaque. So it's solid material. This is a three-sided dimensional display, so I use opaque so it keeps the sun, prevents the sun from blasting through. Each banner is printed on 18-ounce blockout, hemmed and grommeted. All banners are secured with ball bungees, and all banners are secured with the true right corner. So I put a ball bungee in the corner that mechanically secures the banner and ensures that it's mechanically secured, and it also squares the banner. I'm going to do a quick walk around on it so you see the dimension of this display. So that is one side panel, second side panel, and a third side panel. And that is it. Thank you for watching the video. Like I said, the product is called a Monster Kiosk. My name is Bob Miller. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's East Coast time. If you're looking more for product information or rental, that's the phone number.
Got it.
And once again, I provide a turnkey service on this, which includes artwork, deliver, install, remove. Thank you for watching the video, and that's a wrap.